I just completed one of the most engaging lives with over 400 people who attended the live. And one thing that stood out during that live is the fact that number one is people can now do copy and paste very easily. And if you didn't attend my live, I do lives every single day at 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. And if you did not have a chance to attend the live, or you actually came to the live but you're not able to do it, I want to take you through like the steps that you need to follow if you want to copy and paste. We actually copy pasted our live, and I want to show you that this simple advert got 180 views. You can see this, that 180 views was able to be seen. And this ad was posted in one of the most highly populated towns in the world. And this was posted in Manhattan, in New York. Imagine this, having a simple process that allows you to advertise your business from the comfort of your home, and you get to get customers and clients from everywhere in the world. So we literally got ready-made ads. We paste them on high traffic websites, and we select the countries where we want to do it. So we took our ad and we directed it to go to Manhattan. And I want to show you like exactly what we did. So step So these are the steps I will follow, or I followed during the live, to demonstrate exactly how to do copy and paste. So step number one, I identify a high traffic website. So this is a website that has got huge number of visitors every single month. And then what I will do from there, I will copy a ready-made ad. And when I say ready-made ad, this is an ad that comes with the program. So the program, you sign up with the program, it comes with the ready-made program. So when you sign up for the $900 package, it comes with ready-made ads that will market for you the $900 package, the $600 package, the $300, and even the $100, my friend. And then the step three, you paste the ad in a high traffic website. So this is a website that has got millions and millions of visitors, and you paste your advert there. Then step four, of course, you're going to add your website, because your website is very important. It is your online store, plus the professional email. So for me, I would put my website as samgishe.com, as you can see in the neon light, plus my professional email. Very important ways, so that when they see your ad, they can contact you. Then step five, I will publish to the location of my choice. So example, I would take my ad to London, or like I did, I would do it to New York. This is exactly the same way I did to do copy paste. I got my first $600 through copy and pasting using this powerful and secret method. This is what allowed me to quit my teaching job, by copying and pasting ads. If you follow this blueprint, it's going to work for you. If you want to get a step-by-step recorded tutorial of how to do copy and paste, type copy and paste down below here. I'll show you how you can copy paste and make money on the internet.